first generation member, the first center, and former overall captain of Emerald Forte. Ako yung parang girl na full of passions and dreams. So pag may gusto ko siyang gawin talaga. So, dahil may ligaw akong kumanta, mag-perform, nag-audition ako sa Emerald Forte. Sir, food na Emerald Forte. Wala to, ano to eh, sobrang chaotic. Kasi, isipin mo, 48 kami, nung simula, iba't ibang personality, iba't ibang ugali, kanya-kanya ng mga tantrums, ng mga... So talagang mahirap kung sino makaka-click mo, ganyan. Pero, despite all of that, sobrang ganda ng band namin. Kasi pag nagpa-perform kami, talagang we unite. So, iisa lang kami, iisa kami ng puso. And I remember meron kaming parang phrase dati na ginawa na, one dream, one sound. So parang kahit sino kami, saan pa kami nanggaling, ano yung memories namin, ano yung past namin, it doesn't matter kung anong gusto namin gawin. Kung nandito kami sa Emerald Forte, iisa lang yung tunog namin, iisa lang yung pangarap namin. Pinaka-favorite performance ko ito talaga is nung nag-perform ko kami sa China. Kasi that time din, binabash kami sa social media. Memorable yung performance na yun. Kasi, parang na-showcase namin na, ay, ganito pala yung MNL, kaya pala nila kumanta, kaya pala nila mag-blending. So, parang ang sarap sa puso na meron kaming natatouch na people through our music. As time goes by, pag tumatanda ka, o kaya gusto mo nang mag-grow, need mo nang mag-let go. Siyempre, masakit din sa akin na it will come to an end. Lalo na mamimiss ko lahat ng mga fans. Naiiyak, sabi ko din naiiyak, naubos na naiiyak. Pero sa kanila ako lumalambot yung puso talaga kasi grabe talaga sila mag-support sa amin. Minsan iniisip ko, paano kaya ako makakasukli sa kanila? Thank you sa lahat ng mga MLOs. I wouldn't be where I am without you. And dahil sa inyo, napunta ako dito. Dahil sa inyo, nagsusupad ko yung mga pangarap ko. This has been Emerald Forte Checky. And now, I'm signing off. Música
yung first song natin? Alam ko naman, ito yung isa sa pinaka-favorite na MNO48 song nyo na hindi pa natin narinig. Pero, wala akong pake, i-release ko siya ngayon. Walang makakapigil sa atin. Kasi last ko na. Pero yun, ito yung isa sa song na sobrang dream ko din. And I know dream nyo din. And naalala ko, very nostalgic vibes kasi talaga siya. Kasi pinerform namin siya sa New Frontier. Sino mga naka-attend sa New Frontier? Sino yung mga... Yun na yung last event pero bumalik ngayon. Ay! So sinasabi nyo, lagi kayo uma-attend? Pero ayun guys, itong song na to na pinerform ko is very special talaga sa akin. Kasi I know, isa to sa mga kanta na pag naririnig nyo, nabubuhayan yung blood niya talaga. Diba? So, yeah. Hopefully, kahit gustong-gusto ko maging part nito, magiging memory na lang siya sa akin. And, pero hindi naman natatapos dyan dahil eventually, at talagang for sure naman, i-release siya ng MNL48. So, pag nagkataon nangyari yun, I'm so sure na kayong unang susupport talaga at magpapatrend and gagawin niyo lahat para mag-viral na talaga MNL48. Di ba sabi niyo ito ngayong make it or break it song ng MNL? Agree ba kayo? Pero ayan, sa mga nakikinig po dyan, gawin niyo na. Oh, ako na gumawa ng pangarap niyo ah. Please po ah, next. Charot lang. Pero ayun guys, syempre, una pa lang yan. And meron pa tayong mga songs na ipaperform. And ito yung second song ko na first time ko siya ipaperform in front of you guys. And ito yung first live performance ng song na yon. So sana magustuhan nyo. At tuloy-tuloy natin ang hype na yan because my second song is Good For Ya.
Although it could be, if you hold me, baby, I may never wanna leave. Don't be afraid of the challenge, babe. I'm a language of a few letters speak. It's like you play hard to get better than me, and I know you'll be mine. I'm just like a diamond that gets buried, it still knows how to shine. Ooh, let's play.
This Watch VTR.
Limang aspirant na tatakbo papuntang Showtime Studio. Sheki Arzaga.
Dear Chiki, sa simula pa lamang ng inyong journey, ipinakilala mo po ang karamihan sa amin, ang mga unang yapak mo sa buhay.
Ang center girl ng first generation ng MNL48, Sheki Arzaga.
Sobrang saya po kasi lahat po ng paghihirap ko, napalitan ko talaga, nasukian ko talaga.
More than a talented singer, you have gone through your greatest ups and downs, even outside the spotlight.
I-push pa natin to, ilaban pa natin to, kahit na kami na pong umalis, kaya parang kami magsistay pa rin kami para iangat yung grupo. And hanggat may naniniwala, hanggat may 1% pa na, kumbaga yung alab ng puso mo, nandun pa, ilaban pa natin to hanggat kaya, ganun. Lalo na po ngayon, parang napapromote na po kami. Thank you so much for sa opportunity.
You shared your life to be a good role model, a loved and well-respected member para sa lahat ng mga kabataan, sa P-pop community, and sa mga MN loves na sumusuporta sa inyo.
Alon ng sakura ay sumisigo, sa paligid ay dinig mo ang kampana at pagsaya. Pingay sa atin ay tapang at kalayaan, mamili na pupuntahan. Alon ng sakura ay sumisigo, sa paligid ay nananalangin kaya kasama. Pagsubok na dulot ng bagong mundo, pintuang buksan na pinili ko.
As you take your next chapter, we wish nothing but the best for you.
Malungkot mo pero ayun, I'm very happy and honored na naging part ako ng MNL48. Kung di dahil sa MNL48, hindi naman ako ito ngayon. Saka kung di dahil sa mga fans, if not because of you, I am not the person I am today. Thank you!
Once an MNL48, always an MNL48. Maraming salamat sa 7 taon ng inyong talento at inspirasyon. You'll be our forever golden ace and overall captain, our very own MNL48 Sheki Arzaga.
always gonna be the one in my mata. Gotta share some 아다시 웃어 And guys, itong kanta na to very special dahil dinededicate ko yung first love sa lahat ng mga ML. Kaya ba to? Dito baru jika ukina soto shite sureta konai konto bakari ashita no ima koro ni wa watashi wa kitto naiteru anata wo omoteru dara. You will always be inside my heart. It's sumo anatanakedo mashukaru kara. I hope that I have a place in your heart too. Now and forever, you are still the one in my mata. Gotta shila fusaru atarashi uta heru mate. You will always gonna be my love. It's suka nanika no mata komeni achiteru ha. I'll remember to love you till we have. You will always gonna be the one. Gotta shila fusaru now and forever, you I love you, Emma. Naalala niyo pa ba ako? Kung kailan, saan, paano, panlisin. Saksi ang paglubog ng araw sa tahimik na dalangin. Sana sa pagsikat, ikaw, ngayon, ang giliw kong kabilig. Tumingin sa langit ng umaga, sa araw kong tawagin ay ngayon. Umaasa na nagpasan na may ngiti, tahimik na hiling
at least 5 with the first gen girlie.
Oh my God. Pero syempre, I just wanna thank MN Loves, Sheki Sakuras, all the management, lahat ng MN Loves fandom. Hindi ako magiging ganito, hindi kami magiging ganito kundi dahil sa inyo. Kung wala yung support nyo, sino ba naman kami, di ba? Isang puslit na bata lang na nasa bahay. Pero kayo, you made our dreams come true. And yeah, sobrang pasasalamat ko sa inyo. And hindi na namin alam paano kayo susuklian. Pero maraming salamat. Yun na lang ang masasabi ko. Thank you to everyone na bumuo ng Reboot and Wise na event para syempre magkaroon din ako ng graduation stage. At yung mga sisters ko na nandito rin para samahan ako. Thank you everyone. Lahat ng MNO48 girlies, the management, Flybus Productions, Rokada, Tanata San, and Naigio, lahat ng mga staff, Chief, Miss May, Kuya Dean, lahat po kayo, maraming salamat. Lahat ng bumubuo ng event na ito. And of course, hindi ko rin makakalimutan pasalamatan lahat din ng mga tumulong sa amin, nagturo sa amin, Guru Sawasan, Miss Angel, lahat ng bumuo para maging ganito kami. Sobrang thankful po namin sa inyo. Di ba, girls?
Yes, kahit sobrang daming pinagdaanan, right?
Yeah!
Kaya nagpapasalamat pa rin po talaga kami sa inyo. Kasi hanggang ngayon, nandito kayo ngayon, pinapanood kaming ani. Maraming salamat po. Naway sana, supportahan niyo pa rin po ang MNO48 kahit i-adwait na kami.
Ayan. And syempre gusto ko rin magkaroon ng chance na doon na mag-message din lahat ng mga kasama natin on stage. Sige, Alisa.
Ayan. So, ay, isang patak ng luha naman. Actors cue. Dapat sa left. Ay, ganun. Hindi tinuturo yan sa commercial ba? Just kidding. But yes, guys, maraming salamat po ulit for supporting me as MNO48 Alyssa. And like what Sheka said, hindi naman ako magiging ganto. Wah! Hindi dahil sa inyo. Maraming salamat din po sa mga MN Loves. Fairies, maraming salamat kahit small lang yung ano natin. Sobrang masaya na ako kasi very family ang vibes natin. And of course, the management, MNO48 Incorporated, maraming salamat po. And of course, Nigeria, maraming salamat po talaga. And sa mga parents ko, family ko, maraming salamat. And of course, my girls, from 1st gen to 4th gen, kahit na sobrang hirap na hirap akong turuan kayo ng sayaw.
Ano yan?
Sorry
Actually, kaya siya nag-sign up as member para maging dance coach.
Oo. May naman po kami.
Spoiler nyo naman.
But ayun, maraming salamat girls for being, kahit na hindi na ako member, you're still there with me. Ayan, maraming salamat. I love you all. I love you all, guys. Kayong lahat. Maraming salamat.
Ikaw naman, Ian.
Siguro ako, nasabi ko na kanina, pero dagdag ko lang. Ayun po, again, thank you very much kasi yung journey na to, hindi siya easy. But then, nung kasama namin kayo, grabe, iba talaga pag may support, pagmamahal, and yung tao talagang nandyan para sa'yo. And kayo yun, MN Loves, kayo yun. So, thank you very much. And yun po sa kay Naigio po, and nagkaroon kami ng chance na magkaroon ng graduation. So, thank you very much po, Nay. And sa management, and sa lahat-lahat po na bumubuo ngayon ng Reboot and Rise. Ayun, healing for everyone. Thank you po.
Healing for everyone, Rafaela?
Hindi, si Eurodora yun.
Ay, sorry. Ako na pala.
Wait lang, kasi nasabi ko na kanina, but yeah guys, thank you so much, MN Loves. And yung hope ko lang is, sana madagdagan pa kayo. Alam ko naman guys na magsusupport pa rin kayo kahit anong mangyari. And I'm lucky to be part of this journey. It's a very long journey, chaotic, lahat. Actually, hindi ko siya ma-describe, no? Di-describe nyo ba? Ako kasi hindi. Sobrang
hindi ko siya kayang i-describe in one words, yung journey ko sa MNL48. It's hard, even yung bond na members, it's hard to describe talaga. Siguro tough love talaga. Ayun siguro yung di ba? Hindi, I mean, ang hirap kasi like, ang hirap sa, ang hirap mong mahalin, MNL. Ang hirap yung maglaban. Naman? Di ba ka? Hindi kasi tayo kasi yung group na, ang dami talagang pinagdaanan. Like, sobrang kita nila lahat ng struggles natin. Di ba? Hindi natin matanggi yun. So, tough love talaga. And, thank you guys kasi kung hindi dahil sa inyo, hindi kami magiging strong na tao. You know, after MNL48, after MNL48 siguro, mas magiging stronger person kami, mas magiging empathetic kami towards sa mga tao, mas magiging professional kami. And, ayun guys, thank you sa lahat ng tinuro niyo sa amin. Yun. Thank you!
So ako po, copy-paste ko lang po yung sinabi ko kanina. Ang hihingi ng mga tao doon Ay, ito po. Sa Unigab fam ko, alam po may mga Unigab fam pa dyan. Gusto ko one last time lahat ng mga fans club. Lahat ma-feel. Oo nga. Sa anong fans club mo?
Pika dyan.
Pika dyan, ikaw. Unigab.
Echo Johns?
Echo Johns.
Get Katsu?
Alisa Spray! Isa pa, last na lang kasi medyo sentimental ako dito. When I say Uni, you say Gab. Uni? Uni? I love you so much and I hope you guys get home safe. I love you. Mwah, chup chup.
Ayun, so ako naman, since nasabi ko na po sa my message during my performance, I just want to take this graduation, hindi lang para sa amin, pero sa lahat din ng first generation members and other members na wala dito and haven't had the chance to graduate. This is not just for us, but for all of us. So we love you and we hope to see you soon. And also MN Love, since this is a graduation, we need to move to another chapter of our journey. For a very short period of time na naging captain ako ng MNL48, I learned a lot, especially from the girls. And isa lang yung masasabi ko, I can say that MNL48 already has the right people on their side again. And I really tried my best to fill in the gap while we are in a time of crisis. And now,
I love you so much.
And now guys, that MNL48 has the right people na sa kanilang side. I'm so happy and I'm so proud of them. And this is the reboot that we have been talking about, MN Loves. I know we had a rough start a few days ago, but I still believe that MNL48 and the girls will make it. And yes, of course, since I need to step down, a new captain will need to go here in front of me to lead the group again. And my only message to the new captain is that be brave. I know sometimes it's very hard to control or it's very hard to control everyone. But you need to be brave enough to do that. One thing I learned as a captain is that we need to let our members talk to them, correct them in a way that they will listen to us, not in a way that they will hate us. No matter how messy things will happen inside, protect each other because you are in a one group, and you need to always remember that they have a one goal, and that is to help MNL48 to rise again. So MNL48, I'm so glad to announce. I'm so glad to announce our new overall captain. Sino kaya? Jamie. This is MNL48. Jamie!
Not.
second generation member, I can vouch na Jamie can really fulfill the responsibility of a captain. So I will just reiterate what I said a while ago. Whatever happens inside, just always remember that you are in a one group and your goal is to help MNL48 to rise again. Just always remember, in all of your words, actions, and everything, you are representing not just yourself, but the group as a whole, the 48 group as a whole. And I know that you really can lead the group way better than, not way better, but you can, top the things that we did. Because I know that this reboot of MNL48, we will reach new dreams, new achievements, and yun na yung ililid mo. And I'm so happy and proud of you, Jamie. You deserve this spot. MNLs, I know, alam nyo magagawa ni Jamie yung responsibility. So congratulations, Jamie. Yes! Yes!
First of all, I'd like to say thank you for your message, Ate, and everyone around me, Ates. Honestly, when I entered MNL48, I never dreamed of becoming the captain, nor a leader, because I know I'm surrounded by my senpais, the first generation. Ate Jem, Ate Shanika, Ate Lisa, Tidian, everyone that came before me. I was always the kohai, supporting from the second line, third line, hanggang sa naging sa harap na. And I didn't realize na habang tumatakbo yung panahon, 6 years na pala ako sa MNL48. And I didn't also realize that it wasn't only me who was, aging in the group, but also my ates. And one by one, I witnessed them graduate and seek new heights in life. But they never really prepared me for this moment. Like, I never felt that I was ready for this moment because I was always leaning on them throughout my whole stay. And actually, when we were practicing, I was watching them. And na-realize ko, nag-sink in sa akin na, oh my gosh, it's real. Like, second gen, next in line. Yung mga ates ko, they're already through with their journey here in MNL48. And like nature of culture ng 48 group, the second gen is already next in line. And it's such, I'm so overwhelmed because it's a huge responsibility to manage not only the girls, but of course the legacy that the first generation has imprinted, not only in the group, but also to you guys, MN Loves, of course. I really do have big shoes to fill, but I'm forever grateful for the trust, of course, of the management, the MN Loves, and of course my ates, who, hala, isang joke naman dyan. Parang, yeah, I don't know. It feels so surreal, but I can't say anything but thank you, and I will do my very best. And of course, I'm really happy because I know that I have the support of my ates. Kahit wala na sila sa group, like even beyond the stage, I know that I can ring ate at like 2 AM. Ate Shaki, paano to? Like that. So, I don't know what else to say, but thank you for the trust, and I'll do my best to, make MNL48 great again with this reboot and rise. And the reason why I'm still here is for the future generations, and of course, the generations to come after them. And when I feel that, nakatungtong na sila, that's a time that I can say that MNL48 will be okay without me. But for now, I'm more than happy to be spending my youth, my time, my energy for the love of MNL48. Thank you so much, everyone.